What's up, guys? Hope you're all keeping well. Today I'm going to be making a short video, a small unboxing of the STB. Comes in a new container, which I am super chuffed about. Because once you've opened it and used all your baits, you can actually use this as storage, so that you can actually keep your plastic baits or whatever you want. If you're getting a box every month, you can have it for different things. So I thought that was a cool new feature with the STB. But yeah, let's get straight to it and let's see what's inside the box. Awesome. As usual, as most of you guys know, you get your little list of what comes in the box. I have the Pro box, so it comes with an extra item, being the Pro box. But what's special about this box is that there are extra goodies in the box, because it's STB birthday month. So we've got a couple of extra goodies. As you can see, it's a full box. But yeah, let's get started. Let's see what we have. Straight off the bat, the Savage gear, your fat vibe. So it's like your lipless cranks. Love these things. Once upon a time, when I was with Savage gear, I was always asking for the lipless cranks, because these things are monsters. These things are super awesome. Yeah, that's nice bait to have. Next on, the Booyah spinnerbait. Nice spinnerbait. Also nice chartreuse color. Very nice spinnerbait. Awesome to have in this box. Another bait that I like and I've been using recently a lot more is the underspin. This is the Strike King spin head, they call. I call it the underspin. I'm fishing at the moment the BWG underspin ones, which I love. So yeah, look BWG up in the link below. This is Strike King though. I've never used this one, but I'm sure will do just as well. This one is a ½ ounce, a bit heavier than the other one that I've got, but worth a good try. Nice. Okay, so I want to see what is actually the gifts, what's the extras, and what's on the list. Okay, so this is still on the list. This is the Yum Houdini shad, which is a pretty cool bait. I haven't used this specific bait, so it will be a first for me. White color, I think that will be quite a nice bait to play around with, even to put on a spinnerbait, or I think this with the underspin I think will be quite nice. So yeah, that's that. Awesome. Okay, the tungsten. I did this a while back on one of my other videos that I got from BWG to try out. I love these weights. You can use it as a Mojo rig, or you can use it as a Texas rig. You can slide it up and down. It's got the two rubbers on the end. Put your line through, and it's literally, you can push the rubbers away from each other, and you can swap weights to a heavier weight or a lighter weight, so quick and easy without cutting the line. Very nice. Right, the other thing that's in this is the newbie soft bait. So this is also like a paddle tail. They call it a newbie worm, soft grub, but it looks like a little fish. So it's like got a paddle tail. All I see is Chinese writing at the back. I've never used this type of bait, But awesome swim bait. I think this will be quite nice in the summertime when they start chasing those fish around. So that will be quite a nice bait to use. Right, I think now we are going to the extras. So what's left in the box is just extras because it's the birthday month. We have got the Tiki bamboo stick. It's a swirl series copper candy from Wave Worms. I remember a couple of years back I got a packet of these, can't remember what color, and it sat in my box for a long time. Never thought of using it because the color was weird and it's like a very thick worm. And yeah, from then until now, what I've learned, I'll probably mess around with these baits and have a lot of fun Texas rigging these, and even Mojo's wacky worm. Wacky rig this, I think will be quite a lot of fun. I see there's 2 packets, so there's another packet and it's got this crazy color. I think the little tag must have fallen off, so I'm not sure exactly what color this is, but I will give that a try. Cool, and then last but not least, the Calio Crawl by Molex. Also a bait and a product I've never seen or tried before, but it's like a crawl. So using this with jigs and Ned rigs and all those, that I think could be pretty cool. So interesting bait to try. I'll definitely give that a try. The color is also pretty cool. It's a pumpkin green with the black flake, so black and green flake. So that's quite a nice bait. So as you guys can see, so if you haven't ordered your box, you are missing out, because birthday month, I mean, just look at all this. That's quite a lot of stuff to get for a STB box, Pro box, 500 Rand, and then you get your rookie box, which you would also get the extra baits for the birthday, but you would have not got this. That's the extra. That's being a pro box, you get that extra, and being a rookie box, you lose out on that. So yeah, guys, have a look at the STB boxes. Nothing else I can say about these boxes, but they're a lot of fun. Sometimes you will walk past the shelf and look at a bait and not buy it because you think, oh, you know, either it's out of my price range or something I might not fish, you know, it doesn't look all funny, all fancy and what I'm used to. But you might actually try it and start catching a lot of fish, and it might become your next favorite bait. So it's a lot of fun, and especially for the guys making videos out there, great content. You can do unboxings, you can go out on the water, do challenges with friends, and have a blast doing it. So yeah, have a look at STB, go look at their website, go and order a box, and for a limited time, if you use Bassanator as a code when you buy your first box, you will be getting 20 Rand off that. So if you want to try it for the first time, go give it a go, put the Bassanator as a code, and get yourself a box. I will see if I can either do a challenge with all these, or just go out and have a bit of fun and actually just fish them and actually go and rig some of them and show you guys how I would have rigged some of these baits. That'll probably be in one of my upcoming videos. Yeah, so keep an eye out for my next video, which should be soon, and that will be the Winter's Lunker Challenge that I'm hosting at Boschkop Dam, which is on the 14th of July. Not sure when I'll post this video, but that will be the Saturday coming. So yeah, I'll have a video out for that, and see who ends up taking the big prize money and all the gifts that we've got from all our sponsors. So guys, yeah, that was my unboxing of the STB box. Yeah, don't forget to go and subscribe to the STB box. Use the Bassanator if you are buying a box for the first time, and you'll get a 20 Rand discount on the first box. And yeah, thanks to all the guys that were involved with STB box. Timols, fishing tackle, BWG is involved. So great package to have, and a lot of fun to have a box every month. So go check it out and order yourself a box. Also, go down below and hit that subscribe button. You know, that red button says subscribe, and subscribe to my channel. Support us YouTubers. Also hit that notification bell at the bottom, and you'll keep notified to all my videos, so that you can watch all my videos. So guys, it's been fun, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.